Update on the 1,400-square-foot fish building. He's got paint all over his face.
I actually got bigger corals. I didn't even film that.
Look at the size of those things. Oh, yeah. These fish are not going to live inside the bags. They will die by the time we're home. Oh, no. Oh! One in. 3, 2, 1. Dude, look at that, look at that. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. I've got a couple live plants that are gonna be going into this pond today that are just gonna start growing, enlarging. For our ducks, I've never had plants in the other duck pond because every time I put plants in, the ducks were already in and they would just eat them all. Anyway, you see by the title and thumbnail of today's video, it's gonna be crazy. We are loading this pond up with colorful fish. They would obviously grow and get big because the world record common goldfish is like 3 pounds or something. Today's video and fish stocking was actually sponsored by Dr. Squatch. Today's batch I've received 3 different smells. We have got grapefruit, bay rum, and alpine sage. What I love so much about Dr. Squatch is the smells are just so fresh and energizing. The lathering experience is just super smooth. No harsh chemicals, literally all natural ingredients. Made from natural oils, no harmful chemicals, cold processed, sustainably sourced. Dr. Squatch also has their very own shampoo and conditioner, which both smell just as good as the soaps. That smells good. Taylor! I'm going with my favorite, alpine sage. The feeling it leaves on your skin afterwards just feels so clean. Now that I'm smelling fresh, you can too. Just click that link down below or use my promo code DSQPaul for 20% off. The link is right down below. Click it. Shout out to Dr. Squatch, actually an amazing product. Y'all boys know you gotta stay fresh. So click that link down below. Just one last sniff. Let's get on with today's video.
Hey.
Hector, you got attacked?
Look at. She's biting me, man. She's mad because she have a pain in the face. Look at.
He's got paint all over his face. You trying to attack Hector while he paints your house? The house is painted. When this camera pole got painted, all the goats had a little white on their forehead because they like to scratch stuff. Me and Hector are about to design the enclosure. If you could read my lips right there, I'll let you try to read them. Otherwise, you'll probably figure this out when it's built. My fountain is malfunctioning. It's going super high in the middle, straight up, and then these ones are going low. So we'll figure that out. It's still providing oxygen though, and that's really all that matters. Update on the 1,400-square-foot fish building. Tomorrow is supposed to be concrete. These live plants are gonna look sick, all trimmed up in that back corner over there, or maybe right here. Anyway, today is the day. We're getting a bunch of fish for this pond. I know in the past we've stocked it with like 5 fish before. We went cast netting. Didn't catch much though. Today I want to see some color. I want to see some change. Although there already is some color and change in here. All my fish tanks in the fish room, I actually took and brought back to this house the other day. So I'm gonna roll a couple clips from that, and then we're gonna hop back here where I show you where all the tanks are located until the building's done. Of course, do we even need an update on this beautiful tank? We got a Mexican turbo snail cleaning off the shark egg for us. Corals look absolutely fantastic. I actually got bigger corals. I didn't even film that. Got a big anemone, some mushrooms right there, some hammer down there, and then this other coral. I forgot the name of these two. But I just invested in some bigger colonies along with all our smaller ones. This is of course our mantis shrimp tank. We brought this home. There he is right there, and he just ate a crab. Over here is our flower horn. Flower horn is right there, and on the flip side, just for the time being, because obviously all these tanks are temporary. Once that fish building's built, we're building like new stuff for almost everything. I have my tailless tilapia from the turtle tub in the back right there, and I want to make him his own tank. That's why I separated him from the flower horn. I don't want them fighting, but again, just temporary. For the time being, he's over here, flower horn is over here, axolotl is over here. So we actually ended up having I think we had 6 tanks, and we ended up only setting up 3 tanks. There, focus on his tail. I was trying to minimize the amount of tanks brought back to the house, especially because I didn't have enough space to really set them all up. I put the cichlids inside the pond outside because that's super natural. It's got all sorts of structure at the bottom, oxygen flowing, and they can grow and breed like crazy in there. It's what they do in Miami actually. They keep cichlids in ponds. All the tetras, goldfish, and stuff that were with the turtles went over to my mom's pond, which I filmed. Holy moly. They've gotten so big, it's beyond me. Look at the size of those things. He's lived with all those tetras his whole life. I'm gonna put him in here. And the turtles are in this temporary little tub. It's a mini tub. We have all our Indian spotteds in here. African side neck right here. This crazy looking turtle. I call it the melanistic turtle. I forgot what the name is, honestly. Can't forget about our map turtle. Super cool. Of course, our albino Chinese side neck turtle as well. He's a little aggressive, we'll put him back. So yes, all the turtles came home as well. The smaller ones, of course. You remember the bigger ones we put in my mom's backyard, which are doing fantastic. I've been updating you guys on my Instagram story, so if you follow me on Instagram, you see all this stuff before YouTube. But yeah, that's where everything is, just to update everyone. And then of course, when this building gets done, everything will have new tanks, new ponds, etc. And for the other small saltwater tank we had, the one that looked just like this, cichlid tank, another tank, the turtle tub is right here. We've got it all still. We're gonna reset everything up, but in a like better, crazier way. Back to the smaller saltwater tank, we put the stuff from that into here. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the other clownfish, so I assume something happened to him in the past tank. It's time to get goldfish, boys and girls. We are going to every single pet store in our local area, and we're just gonna buy every single goldfish they have in stock, or at least as many as we can. We obviously wanna leave a little bit for other people that need to feed their fish. We're gonna buy a lot of goldfish today, and we're putting them all in the pond, and it's gonna look like a colorful rainbow in my pond. Danny, we were the ones that told them if our video was to get an X amount of likes.
Hang on.
24,000. We gotta turn around. We told you Cuffaro's 30,000 likes and we were gonna do this video. We didn't hit it. We hit 24,000. Let's go. We're going home. I didn't even realize, look at the top comment. It says, when the water warms up a little bit, you should put colorful cichlids in it. That huge pond would look amazing. Love the way the property is looking. Wish you the best. Can't wait for the fish building to be up. Really wanted to see the new turtle enclosure. We got, hey Paul, been such an inspiration to me ever since I started watching your videos. Keep it up. Paul, been watching since 3K. Holy 3K, Matthew. Jeez. Glad you got as big as a YouTuber and living the life. Love the videos. Haven't missed any. Thank you so much, Matthew. You're the man, and the 9 of you that like that, you're also the best. Love the way the farm's looking so far when the building goes up. You guys just are the best. Like literally, look at all these beautiful comments. They're all positive. I love you guys. I can't say anything else, but maybe that was a little too much. First location, PetSmart.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's more over here too.
Don't worry, fellas. You're actually not being fed to anything this time. Oh!
We'll probably just get this whole entire tank right here.
Every single goldfish in that tank right there. 16 cents each. We're gonna get that entire tank right there, baby. We have to buy a bucket. While he's netting goldfish over there, these fish are not gonna live inside the bags. They will die by the time we're home. Now, with this stuff, the goldfish is not gonna die. Boom. 400 goldfish. Thank you, sir. Appreciate your... Oh, he gave me a little extra. Thank you, man. Thank you, Patrick. Appreciate it. Patrick's the man. 101. No. There's so many. Oh my gosh, barely have any water. Remember, they sell these for feeders. So we walked in there, you know, they're not expecting us to need water. Dude, this honestly brings me back to the old days when we used to go to Walmart at like 3 a.m. and make videos. Oh yeah. There's a lot of goldfish in this bucket. Stop number 1 was a success. We got 400 goldfish acquired, and now we're going on to the second spot. Now, this location in specific, another PetSmart, they love me here, and I love them, so I'm cool to film with the big camera. I know that for a fact here. It's like they kicked me out. They're like, no, you can't film here. These are the larger ones right here. How do I do this tank? More goldfish. First shop, we bought like 400 of the small goldfish. These, we got 200 of the large goldfish. Literally 600 goldfish. And all of these aren't going into a tank to get eaten by a fish. Maybe some. Oh! All right, one more handful. The unlucky ones. Dude, look how fired up everything is. That water is clear and the fish are healthy. Okay, I know I said I wasn't gonna feed any, but I just had to. I mean, I had 600 goldfish and they gave us a lot of extras, so we probably had like 650. And my peacocks need to eat, so back over to the pond. Literally so many goldfish going into this pond right now. I'm gonna put this guy before everyone else, and his name is Squirm. Hashtag Squirm's a G in the comments. All 600 plus goldfish going in. 3, 2, one. Holy moly. Dude, look at that, look at that. I got the GoPro in there. There's so many. Can you see them on the camera from up there? Mm-hmm. Wow. Yo, this is gonna be epic. In a couple days, you guys gotta subscribe down below. Because in a couple days when we come out here to feed, I'm gonna throw some food and I guarantee there's just gonna be goldfish everywhere. We honestly could probably get a lot more because this is a bigger pond. I got a lot because a lot of them will die over time. Some won't even live, obviously, till we got to the house. We got 600 plus goldfish in here. I told you all to smash the like button and we do it. We didn't hit 30K, but we hit 24K, it's close enough. Smash the like button on this video if we should get a baby alligator.
Here we go again with that.
Look at the African cichlids. See 3 African cichlid right there? The African cichlids are right there. You can see the lighter ones, but the darker ones are there too. Just on camera, you can see the light really easily. I love to see this. The pond is becoming a real pond. I hate the fact that the grass got cut yesterday. It's amazing to have cut grass, but it makes the pond look like this. I need to get some sort of skimmer cleaner thing. But yeah, Cuffaros, that's it. That's all I got for you today. Stocking our pond with so many goldfish. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Dr. Squatch for sponsoring today's video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace! Dr. Squatch, don't forget, 20% off, links below.